Hello guys, this is Arun Rao and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I will be explaining you how I took trades in silver during the London session. And today's trading session was really good, and it was a full of volume and it was full of liquidity. And as you can see, the current balance is, something. It's not initial. Basically, I have gained some profits and basically the initial balance was $25,000, but we are trading this account since 2 days, and it's the third trading day, as you can see. And this is a spreadsheet of all trading history, and basically all the trades except one was in silver. As you can see here, all the trades were in silver except one, which is US 30. So basically all trades that I took in this account till now is in silver. So we actually passed this account. We already hit our profit target, only trading silver. You can say that, but we still have left some minimum trading days left, which is two, which will be, it's easy to cover that thing. So basically, we hit our profit target, and you can see the linear growth over here, the straight linear growth. Within 3 days, we hit our profit target, and this is a MetaTrader platform, as we all know. So basically, at first, this is a 5 minute time frame of silver, which isn't following my plan. If we see the price action, so basically there is a correction coming in. So I didn't take seriously. I like silver chart. I didn't take seriously at that time because it was my 5 minute time frame, and I didn't knew that. I didn't knew that, and all I did was analyze Euro USD because there was a clean support, as you can see here, and now I'm going to mark the clean support, as you can see. And I was anticipating I was anticipating the market to break this support and give a candle closing below this support and to cover the clean range which is present on the left hand side between these two supports, between these two boxes. As you can see, the clean range is absolutely attractive, and I was pretty much anticipating price to break the first support and to basically give me some few pip move between these two support ranges. And this is what I was anticipating to cover this clean range, not to cover the complete range, but also, at least to give some pip move, actually. So I was anticipating mostly that. So yeah, this is the analysis of Euro USD basically, and I was prioritizing Euro USD today heavily, and because there was a setup according to my strategy building up in Euro USD, and if we have some movement, some momentum in the buy side, we also have plan for that too. As you can see, I marked a resistance, a small resistance, and if we get a clean candle closing above this small resistance, we can anticipate price to cover the clean range on the left hand side, which I marked now. So in the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, the Euro USD chart is heavily bullish. So most probably we will be getting a bullish trade. But things happened quite differently after that. So this is a volume profile, a fixed range volume profile and I use this to basically know where most of the trading activity has happened. So this is a quite helpful tool. You can use it, and I will be making a dedicated video on this indicator. So this is a session marker to basically know which session is going on. So currently now we are in London session. As you can see, if we zoom in, you can see that we are currently in London session, and in on the other hand, I opened my Forex Factory to see if we have any news today, which we fortunately we didn't have any news today, as you can see. And this is a financial juice platform to basically read news articles. So the real thing happens now. As you can see, we got a clean setup in silver on the minute 30 time frame. And as soon as I see the setup, I was completely, you know, shocked, and I was completely sure according to my strategy, because silver was performing according to my strategy. And it was a clean trending day for silver, and you can see that on the left hand side there is a clean range and there is a huge volume which is driving the price upwards. And there's a huge volume and there is a huge probability that price will be going in the same direction if we see the momentum of the price. So there is a clean range, there is a huge volume, plus it's a London session. So what else you need? So basically, I just executed the trade, but I took some huge quantity at the beginning, then I unloaded, I booked some partials, because silver is something that moves. If it moves little bit, the floating PNL is very high. And also I'm trading a pretty small account of $25,000, in which even a floating PNL of 200 or $300, it's unhealthy for the account. So basically, we are now trading zero point 0.2 lots of silver, and the floating PNL is pretty much decent. But still, then, what I did was, okay, the trade is going on, I'm analyzing some other charts, and also in the trading view, I also opened the silver chart in trading view to see the volume profile actually. And if we see the volume profile, we can see clearly that there is a huge volume. And here you can see that the price has again returned back to my entry zone, due to which I booked half of my quantity, which was zero point 0.2 before. I closed zero point 0.1 and let another zero point 0.1 run. And after touching my entry point, the price bounced back again into the positive zone. As you can see here, I'm still analyzing something else, but after some time, you will be seeing, yes, the price started bouncing back. Yes, if this price breaks the high of the last candle, I will be adding zero point 0.1 lots more to my winning position. So basically, you add to your winners and you cut to your losers. So this, you can see, as soon as it broke the high of the previous candle, I added some more quantity, which is zero point 0.1 again. So in total 0.2, and I set the stop loss and the take profit, and we let the trade run. So I wasn't anticipating to cover the clean range completely, but yeah, some pips are enough for me. And here I closed the trade and pretty much ended the day with $820 in $830, close to $830 in my bank account. So this was all for the video today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and keep loving, keep supporting.